Hello friends, today's video we will tell you that how to make money with a side gig and how long it will take to see the extra income. For your information, let me tell you that this video is not sponsored. In this video, we have told you total for such income opportunities through which you can start earning money from today itself. The sting of inflation may have you pondering how to make some extra income. If you have the time and energy, you can put your skills and passions to work with a side hustle. This channel rounded up 4 real ways to make money at home online or out and about. For each potential side job, we list details like what it takes to get started, age requirements, and how fast you can get paid. People who want to earn money fast sitting at home, without doing much hard work, this video is going to be for them only. So let's start the video without any delay. But before that, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Making money online is the sweet spot people look for in the gig economy. Whether you aspire to be a 6-figure social media influencer, or are just looking to supplement your regular income with some online side jobs, we've found some viable options. Number 1. Use AI. In this world of progress, some new changes keep coming every day, and as you know, now slowly AI has started taking over humans too. The use of generative artificial intelligence is on the rise. A recent report from PwC estimates that the North American economy will see a $3.7 trillion impact by 2030 thanks to the AI market. So there's no better time to learn how to make money by using AI tools. Integrating AI tools as a freelancer to help you create digital products, or to edit AI content for a client, improving your advertising, marketing efforts, and management of your existing small business. Teaching others to use AI tools is an important way to make money easily. As you know, you can start using AI from anywhere and end anywhere, like Freelancer, Upwork, blog, YouTube, or many other places where you can earn good money by using it. For this, your age limit is not applicable. There is no restriction. You can include everyone from your children to the elders in your house. If you are interested to know where and how to use AI and how to start a good income, then comment as much as possible. We will definitely tell you in the next video. Number 2. Publish an ebook. Writing a good book is tough, but the internet makes it easy to bring it to market. If you're a writer who can churn out pages, you can use Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing to sell your books on the Kindle store. You can start earning very well through your writing. It's free to publish a book, and you can earn up to 70% of each sale in royalties. Write your book, enter a clear description and the details to be displayed, and upload your manuscript. Set the price and see if it sells. We don't have to tell you writing a book can be a slog. For this, your age limit should be 18 plus. And after that, you just have to apply your skills as much as you want to earn. And like YouTube, once you reach $100, you can transfer your earned earnings to your own account. Can take. Number 3. TaskRabbit. If you actually enjoy putting together IKEA furniture or standing in long lines, you may be cut out for doing tasks for others. Websites like TaskRabbit can connect you with people who need help with a variety of things, such as moving, cleaning, delivery, and handyman services. The site also offers several virtual and online tasks, such as helping with a research project or data entry. Easy to start, though you'll need to do some research. There are some things that you will need to know about this, like, you can set up your profile and register in a matter of hours, but can't start accepting tasks until your profile is approved by TaskRabbit. Once approved, you need to pay a $25 fee. So you may first want to research your market and the value of your skills to determine if that fee is worth it to you. You're paid after the task is completed through direct deposit. Payment typically takes a few days to appear in your account. Joining it can prove to be a golden opportunity for you, but first read the information carefully. Number 4. Rent out cars. City dwellers often don't use their cars for days or weeks at a time. That idle time can translate to extra money with services like Getaround and Turo, which let you rent out your car by the hour or day. You take home the majority of those earnings, while Getaround or Turo takes a cut for protecting your car while it's being rented, and you can earn money in other ways by using the car. Join Uber or Lyft and make money by driving passengers around. Just don't forget to factor in gas and maintenance costs. You need an eligible car in good condition and must agree to a background check and a review of your driving history. It's easy to start, nothing difficult, but you'll need the right type of vehicle, and you must have a driving license and be 18 plus years of age. After this you are absolutely eligible and you can start earning money immediately. So with this we will end today's video here. Friends, if you like watching such videos, then do like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubt, then please tell us in the comment section. We will definitely solve your problem.